Inheritance in programming is when one class inherits the methods and attributes from another class. In our example here, employee is our base class, or the class that gets inherited from. Now, what we want to do is be able to use this calculate weekly pay method for our teacher and coach classes because they are both employee types. So if we go to our teacher class, we can type colon, and then we want to inherit from employee. So if you type employee, we all of a sudden have access to everything that's on the employee class. So we're going to say hourly rate, they make $20. Hours worked, they worked 40. And now we can go ahead and calculate the pay using the calculate weekly pay method, just like that. The same would be for a coach, but in this case, they have 15 an hour, but they still work 40 hours. But the logic is still the same, but we don't want to reiterate the logic in each class. That's really where the power of inheritance comes in.